Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. They are loaded with chocolate chips, fluffy and moist texture from inside, crunchy top studded with more chocolate chips. Yes, I'm talking about chocolate chip muffins. You don't have to worry about to get some store bought because you can make these fluffy babies at home. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start a recipe. Bismillah. First, I'm preparing pan here. I'm taking cupcake pan and lining with cupcake liners. You can spray or butter this pan as well. Now I'm measuring some all-purpose flour. You can just take this spoonful of flour and adding into a measuring cup. That's the right way to measure flour. So I'm measuring the flour, adding in a medium-sized bowl with some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now mix everything well, and then you can put this dry mixture on the side. Now we'll go and start making our batter. For that, I already melted butter in a large mixing bowl, so it will cool down a bit, adding regular sugar with brown sugar and vanilla essence. With the help of whisk, just mix everything well until they are fully combined. Now I am adding egg one by one and mix until one egg is fully incorporated, and then I will add the next egg. After that, I am adding a secret ingredient. I am adding sour cream in my batter. Now if you don't have sour cream, you can add buttermilk, and if you don't have buttermilk, don't worry about it. Just take a regular milk, add a tablespoon of vinegar in there and let it rest for a while, and then add in this recipe. Now I am adding the dry ingredients in the batter with some chocolate chip, and it's time to fold with the very light hand. With the help of spatula, I'm just folding this mixture until it is just combined. Do not overmix this batter, otherwise your muffins will turn chewy and tough, which we don't want, of course. Now bring back a prepared muffin tray, take a spoonful of batter and fill each cavity almost like a 3/4, a little bit more than a 3/4. And then when you are done filling all the cavities, then I took some mini chocolate chips and I'm sprinkling on top of the muffin batter. And now if you want that crunchy top, you can use a coarse sugar or any sanding sugar like which you get from cake decoration aisle. I'm just adding that on top and then transferring them into oven which is preheated on 350 degrees, and I will bake them for like 18 to 20 minutes until they have nice golden crunchy top, or when you insert the toothpick comes out clean. I will let them rest on a muffin tray for at least 10 minutes and then transfer them onto the wire rack and let them cool completely. Or if you like to enjoy warm muffin, just take a tall glass of cold milk and enjoy these warm muffins. As you can see, they turned out so soft and fluffy from inside. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.